I'm just tired of you always freaking trying to one-up me, bro. Like, you say, oh, my cousin is stronger than you. Or oh, my cousin has nicer hair than you. My cousin's handsome, more handsome. My cousin has a nicer truck. Bro, honestly, it's just like, bro, I'm tired of this, bro. I'm just tired of you one-upping me, man.
Well, you're tired? Now you want to deck me? My cousin will deck you. My primo can deck you. My primo has a nicer truck. My primo has nicer hair than both of us. That's obvious. But my primo's just the man.
Your primo this and your primo that. Oh, so you really think your prim can deck me?
Yep, that's my cousin. Prim.
Bruh.